So these are refrigerator dills here. And so that's just like a 50-50 vinegar and water. And then I've added some garlic in there. I've already been eating these. These are delicious. And then here's some more refrigerator dills. And I'm just putting in salt and pepper. I don't have any dill, but they really don't need it. And then these are fermented dills. And I've got this fermenter that's like made for kimchi. And it's working out pretty good. It's really active. There's all kinds of bubbles coming up. And then the air escapes through this water seal, which is kind of nice. So can't wait to do other vegetables in here, because I guess they're really great for you with like probiotics and stuff. So, and gut health. So I can't wait to dig into those. But it's about day 3, I think. And again, it's just salt water and garlic and cucumbers. So, first time doing this. So here's my garlic harvest. I think I planted about 200 bulbs, and they're nice big bulbs, big cloves. So they're drying out now. I dug them up a couple days ago, and I put them in this ladder on top of a tarp to get some air to dry them out. But I cut way back this year. It's just getting to be too much work. But I enjoy it, and can't wait to have some fresh garlic to give folks. Morning, everyone. It is, let's see, I think it's July 31st, maybe? But I've done some work out here with the chickens to try and separate them out and give them some open space. I got really bad deer flies all over me. They're terrible. It's been really hot, up in the 90s. Sorry, I'm just waving these things off. But I opened up the one side, and now all of the Reese chickens are together. Looks like a couple of them are out. Oof, man, they're just horrible. Yeah, so I got this big open space here for the one set of chickens. Looks like one's already getting through there. That's funny. I tried to double up on the fence and see if that would help keep them in. They're crossing. How you guys all doing? Huh? Is intermixing okay? What are you guys all doing? Huh? There's 4 roosters in here. These are the younger guys, maybe? No, that's one of the older guys. I guess they're just checking it all out. Not seeing any bodies laying around. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hens there. I don't know. The bugs calm down. Like a couple roosters. And some hens out there. A hen out there. So there's maybe 1, 2, 3 hens. Yeah, who's in here? Oh, here they all are. This one here, she's so just 2 eggs. So they're all in there getting ready to lay. One, two, three, four, five. So I think I got seven hens with this lot. They're getting close to the same size. Looks like their water's falling over. So I opened them up yesterday. You know, water in here. But I should give them more. It's not gonna be super hot today, but could be. That's one of the younger roosters. Oh, jeez. Well, I just whipped this together, a little ramp for them to get in and out, for the new chickens. The breeze, so I got to put this in because they're just hanging outside panting. They can't get in, so I'm going to put this in next. Well, there it is installed. These are the new breeze. He's definitely going. He's got really bad feet. Again, I think it was because it was in his shell maybe too long. I don't know, but I don't like the look of it. And so now I got a nice little ramp for them to go in and out of. She's got pecked on the head. I don't know what happened to her. It doesn't look good. Hope I don't find her dead. Yeah, you can see it. Oh man. Chickens are brutal. I don't want to lose a hen. Should probably put her in her own cage. Come on, go through there. Go on. Go through there. Come on. There you go. All right, well, they got a ramp. They can get in and out now. Hopefully. I don't know about him. His feet are so bad. But they got a little area now they can kind of go out in. And then I opened it up out here so they get a little more green area. But in the morning, it's really hot on this side of the barn. So a lot of them are just hanging out inside. So, all right, well, we'll see what they can do. Hopefully they'll leave her alone. So this is my Granny Smith. It's pretty much dead. Pretty sad. And I think I'm gonna cut this off before all the leaves. Well, they're probably gonna fall as soon as I drop it. Yeah, these last remaining apples. But too much damage. You can see all the damage in it. Insects. But not all lost, because I did do cuttings from it in the spring, and I'll show you those. So these are all the cuttings from that same tree. And there's some over here, or one over here as well. So this guy is also a cutting. It seems to have taken, so not all lost. cuttings there, and I'll be able to take some of these branches that are branching off of it and do some more cuttings, I guess. This one didn't take, so that one didn't take.